Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's Jose Carcano here calling you from Killeen, Texas, and we're doing some looking after some houses. We're going to buy another house, and look at this beautiful grass right now. We're talking about it's January, February, and we got beautiful grass. A lot of beautiful sights here. Let's walk around a little bit. Let me tell you what we've been doing. In Ambit Energy is we've been helping people get some free electricity as well as making money. So some of my monies that I'm making from Ambit Energy are going to pay for this beautiful home right here. We're helping people also to get free electricity. We have our free electricity in our other house, but we're also going to get free electricity in this house when we go ahead and purchase it in the near future. But I want to tell you what, it's all about helping people, and that's what we belong to. In our group, in Ambit Energy, we want to help you make some money, we want to help you save some money, and we want to help you get beautiful homes like this. Look at this great walkway where you've got here, put your chair out here and come sit down with your wife, and just have a great time. But ladies and gentlemen, that's just what we're doing today. We're just coming out here, looking at great homes, getting some ideas, building our dream boards, and making things happen. So, until next time, our next video, next slide, we'll talk to you guys later.
Hey, before you leave, sir, how can I reach you?
Okay, hey, the way you get a hold of me is go to www.thecarcanogroup.com, or you can just call me at 877-372-9247. Again, give us a call, Ambit Energy Consultant Jose Carcano. We'll see you guys later. I'm going to go home.